Yo, so this is basically my day two of my yapping progress and also my lifting and also my life progress. So basically, this is my day two of tracking it. But for now, I'm going to focus more on my yapping skill because I basically doing this, recording myself in front of this camera. I'm actually not that confident pa kasi. So I know that some of you have seen my TikTok account. So basically, if you've seen there, makikita nyo na puro physique lang yung pinapost ko and I rarely talk there kasi to be honest, hindi pa ako ganun confident and may times na nag-i-stutter ako. So, yun yung isang bagay na gusto ko ma-develop. Yung tipong, ano yung mga thoughts mo sa utak is ma-translate mo na sa bibig mo. So, that's what I'm learning. That's what I'm learning. Kaya, I'm doing this. And probably I wanted to see if my life is let's say progressing and yeah. So yesterday's video, I know if some of you have seen it, it's actually pretty cringe. And recording myself, knowing that after watching that video is it's actually cringe is actually I don't know how what to say, pero nakakangilo siya. Nirewatch ko siya before I post it, pero I saw there na kung ano yung mga mistakes and kung ano may impact sa makakanood nito. So yeah, it's a cringe video and also a boring video. And this video that I'm making right now, I actually don't know if it's going to be another cringe video, but I'm still going to post this. So I already made a lot of video this past, let's say, 2 years ago, because I wanted to track my lifting progress. So if you're going to scroll down to my page, you're going to see there my lifting journey, and yeah, it's kinda long, and also those are actually a boring video. Hindi ko alam if merong bang makakatapos ng video ko dito. So that's why I also post my lifting progress by YouTube Shorts. And yung mga video na yun doon is actually galing from TikTok because yun talaga yung pinagpapokusan kong account, yung TikTok account ko. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka first, let's say, dun ko pinost yung pinaka first day na nagsimula pala ako ng lifting journey ko. And to be honest, throughout my lifting journey and throughout my, uh, I mean, several times na ako nag-record ng sarili ko. Throughout those years, may mga part din ako doon na dinilit kasi nakiringe ako. And isa yun sa pinaka-regrets ko sa buhay na dinilit ko yung mga old videos ko. So wala akong old clip masyado. Basta bigla na lang kasi ako nag-boom. Like, bigla na lang siya nag-build yung physique ko. Pero, yun nga, even though it's a cringe video, I still post it. Kasi, understanding na hindi naman tawag dito, na even though mapanood to ng ibang tao, ng parents ko, it's actually, I am going to be shy to be honest. And, sobrang cringe gawin na itong video na to. Pero, understanding na yung clip na to, ng sarili ko, is hindi ko na mababalikan tomorrow. So, if this day goes by or natapos itong araw na to, hindi ko na may babalik yun. Even though kahit 10 seconds ka ng buhay natin, hindi na natin ibabalik yun, di ba? So, yeah, as possible as I can, I'm still going to record it. Probably soon I'm going to post again about my lifting journey. But for now, I wanted to focus more on my yapping skill. And yeah, I wanted to also share you what are my plans. And I'm also predicting na soon, making confident din ako dito. And soon, probably I'm going to speak English fluently with all of my videos. And soon, I am going to achieve my specific goals, my plans, and yeah, I want to track it. I love tracking my progress, to be honest. So nowadays, uh, life is pretty tough kasi right now I'm a caregiver. So my duty ko halos is 12 hours. Sabihin na natin for, 12 hours. So nakakapag-gym lang ako halos 2 hours and sometimes 1 hour and a half. And itong recording of myself is actually sinisingit ko lang siya. And this place, since stay in ako dito sa work ko, binigyan nila ako ng place to stay. And it was a pretty good place kasi pwede ako makapag-start dito. So the problem is, wala lang ako dito ng internet. So basically, I'm going to post this video there. So I know you don't care about that. And yeah, I don't know if may makakaabot mo sa video, sa part na to ng video ko. Pero yeah. So I guess that's it. After having this conversation with myself, I'm going to go to the gym and then start creating another content of myself again. So that's it. If you also wanted to record yourself and you feel like it's cringe, it's okay, bro. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa pagka-cringe. Even though utal ka magsalita, just like what I did, it's actually part of the progress. Part yan, even though feel mo cringe, even though feeling mo pangit, wag kang mahiya, just post it, bro. Kasi if lagi ka nadadala sa part na ang pangit ng video ko kaya di mo na lang ipopost, yun yung magiging downfall mo, bro. Hindi ka magpo-progress if hindi mo sinusubukang magkamali or magkaroon ng pangit na video. So, that's it. Fear is actually a part and yung maging cringe, yung maging pangit yung content, it's actually a part. And as you can see, I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just developing my yapping skill. So I consider this as a 1% progress for today. So this is day 2 of my journey. So I guess going to the gym now. So that's it. Probably I don't know what to share tomorrow, but yeah. So see you tomorrow for day 3.